The Rain That Smelled Like Fruit, 2017, Lancashire, England. In 2017, something extraordinary happened in the lush, rolling hills of Lancashire, England. On a seemingly ordinary day, the weather took a turn that would leave everyone talking. Strong winds swept through the countryside, carrying with them an unusual scent, one that made the air feel alive with a sweet, almost magical fragrance. It wasn't the typical earthy, fresh rain smell that most are familiar with. No, this time it was something far more intriguing. A scent of ripe berries, like a summer harvest, bottled up and unleashed by the wind. As the raindrops began to fall, they didn't just bring the usual chill of a British downpour. They brought with them the aroma of fruit. Imagine walking outside, the sky overcast and the breeze gentle. But instead of the typical dampness in the air, you're surrounded by the unmistakable fragrance of strawberries, blackberries, and raspberries. It was as if nature itself had decided to infuse the rain with the scent of the nearby farms, the fertile lands where these berries had grown in abundance. Farmers and locals, accustomed to the familiar smells of soil, hay, and fresh crops, were taken aback by this strange phenomenon. No one could quite explain it, but the scent lingered, carried by the gusts of wind, drifting across fields and over the village. It was a reminder of the land's bounty, an unexpected sensory gift from nature. People began to step outside, taking in the air with wonder, their senses overwhelmed by this delightful fruity rain. The phenomenon lasted only for a short time, but it left a lasting impression. It was one of those rare, fleeting moments where nature offers something so unique, so unexpected, that it becomes a part of local lore. For those who experienced it, the memory of that rain, both the feel of it and the scent that came with it, remains vivid, a reminder that even in the most familiar places, something extraordinary can always happen. If you enjoyed this story, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to help the channel grow.